What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Google introduced the Pixel 5 smartphone, the flagship of the middle class. Yes, today Google unveiled its new flagship smartphone, Pixel 5. Of course, the device can be called a flagship, only with a lot of reservations. Cameras do not boggle the imagination, the processor is far from the most productive, and the design is quite ordinary. Nevertheless, we have before us the flagship smartphone, Google for the coming year. Against the background of the rampant fashion for glass cases, dictated, in part, by the need to implement wireless charging, the all-metal Pixel 5 looks somewhat unusual. Unfortunately, there is no light shade for the case. Users will have to choose between black and green options, which nevertheless look pretty attractive and expensive. At the heart of the Google Pixel 5 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, which is one of the most used chips in mid-range smartphones this year, and Adreno 620 video chip, and a Snapdragon X52 5G modem connectivity. The amount of RAM is 8GB, which is enough for comfortable use for most users. The built-in storage capacity is 128GB. Android 11 is used as a software platform. However, Google was not the first company to introduce a smartphone to the new operating system. As for the cameras, the device is equipped a main module with a 12.2 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, supplemented by the face detection autofocus and optical image stabilization, as well as a 16 megapixel sensor with an ultra wide angle lens. On the back of the smartphone, users will also find a fingerprint sensor. Google has done a lot of work on the camera software. The device stands out for its improved nighttime shooting capabilities and a new cinematic pan video mode. It gives videos captured on the smartphone camera a professional look with ultra smoothing panning, inspired by the equipment used by Hollywood directors. The 8 megapixel front camera lens is located in a circular cutout in the upper left corner of the display. The 6 inches AMOLED screen itself received a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, which corresponds to Full HD+, and its refresh rate reaches 90 Hz. There is HDR support. The entire front panel is covered with durable Corning Gorilla Glass 6. When it comes to communications, the Pixel 5 is fine with that. The device is equipped with a dual-band Wi-Fi module, Bluetooth 5.0, and an NFC controller. The smartphone 4880 mAh battery supports 18 watts fast charging. It is worth nothing the dust and moisture protection. According to the IP68 standard, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and reversible wireless charging. Given the technical characteristics of the smartphone, its main competitors most likely will be mid-range devices such as Nokia 8.3, OnePlus Nord, and the like. The Pixel 4a 5G unveiled today also received similar hardware but at a more affordable price. The Google Pixel 5, which hits the market on October 15th, is priced at $699. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.